Hello friends, artist resin Sudha here. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. As you see, Valentine's Day is near. Let's make some colorful hearts. These will be colorful heart charms that we could keep as pocket hugs. So I wanted to try these color shift pigments since long and found the correct time to try these. So the shades names are Gari, Golden Pavilion and Jisha Doll from Eye Candy Pigments. So let's start mixing the colors. I have kept my resin ready. I think I will be able to make only 3 resin hearts as I just randomly mixed resin, and if there is a remainder I will make one more heart. So today's video is a part of Valentine's collaboration by Crafty Youtubers United and Minisins GB, that is Miss Tracy Lippett. Many amazing artists across the globe coming together to participate in this event. I will add the playlist link of all artists in the collaboration. Please watch their video and support them too. They truly have amazing creativity to share with you all. You can find the link in my description. First, I am mixing this beautiful pigment named Gari from Eye Candy Pigment. Isn't it beautiful? Now comes Jisha Doll from Eye Candy Pigments. It has some pinkish purplish hints in it. And now the golden pavilion from Eye Candy Pigments once again. First, I am taking golden pavilion to pour into the mold. I am not filling up to the level as it will become heavy to keep in pockets too. Now time to pour Jisha Doll. Lastly, Gari from Eye Candy Pigments once again. So I have leftover resin at this moment. I will use Zen Gardens from Eye Candy Pigments once again. Let's just mix and pour it in the mold. After this, I will wait for 24 hours for demolding. And now let's demold. The first one was golden pavilion. Let's demold it. Oh wow, it looks beautiful. I love the golden and orangish color peeking through it. Second one was Jisha doll. Wow, I love it just so much. Love the pinkish purplish colors peeking through it. I hope my camera is able to catch the color shifts in it. Now we move to the third one, which was Gari. And I think this one is my favorite. Loving it just so much. Can you see pink tone in it? Let's move to the fourth one, which is Zen Gardens. Wow, there is a hint of green in it. So beautiful and calming. So these were my simple colorful Valentine heart pocket hubs made with eye candy pigments. If you like the video, please give the video a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe. And before going, let me remind you once again that this is a part of Valentine's collaboration with Crafty Youtubers United and Medicines GB. Please find the playlist link which is in my description and in my live chats too. Please watch their videos as they got even more beautiful things to share with you all. Time to go now. Thank you so much for supporting my video. Have a great day. Bye everyone.